Hi, my name is Simon Liu and I'm a residential realtor with Happy Homes Vancouver and Keller Williams Realty Van Central in Vancouver, BC. Today, we're going to change a light fixture. A lot of homes that you buy comes with lights that you may not like or may not be good for the space. In this case, the room is very dark and we want to improve that, and we're going to put a flush mount. So let's get started. These are the tools that we may or may not use. We're just getting them ready so we don't have to go search for them later. First of all is a electrical tester. This is after we turn off the power, we can double check to make sure the power is indeed off. We have a screwdriver with multiple bits. We need electrical pliers. This will strip the wires, cut the wires, do whatever we need with the wire. And then possibly a knife if we need to cut around things. These are the parts that came in the box. So we got the light, and we got the hardware that came with it. These screws are probably too short, but we'll see what we have when we get up there. And some barrettes. Just gonna do a demo here on how to twist the wires on once you get up to the top. You got 3 wires coming out of the light fixture. This is the ground wire. You got your neutral and your power. This is a typical wire that you will see when you get into the junction box. And we will match up the white with the white and twist it the same direction that we're going to tight in the junction box. So we twist it on first, take the barrette and turn it. And you're gonna turn it until the wire starts to turn. Then you give it a tug and it's tight. And that's how it's gonna look when you get into the junction box. Okay, so the first step to any electrical project that you work on is to turn the power off from the breaker. So I'm gonna run and do that. And you guys hang tight. Everyone's light fixture is different and there's no manual on how to take it apart. This particular is a track light. And track lights need to come off in multiple pieces. So we'll be right back after taking off the track light. Okay, so we have the track light off. Before we go up there and play around with the wires, I know we already took it off, but I wanted to show you how this tester works. So it's got a low light on it. Oh, we're gonna show you this working on the fixture just to make sure everyone's clear about this. So now, no power. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna actually get this ground wire connected, and this one is actually, we have a nice little wire here. So we got the brand new barrettes. There's some old ones here that were oversized, so we're gonna change all of them. Okay, so now we're just gonna pull everything just to make sure it's tight. Okay, and then the final check, we want to tighten all the screws. So there's a ground wire here, just want to make sure that's tight. That's good. Now, you could put electrical tape around all the wires just to give it extra security. I'm not going to do that because I don't have any on me. And then we'll push everything back in. And then, okay, so now before we tighten everything, we're going to test it. So we're going to turn the power back on. Okay, that worked out well. That's very bright. So we're just going to go ahead and secure everything, and then we'll wrap it up. Okay, so now you see we have improved our lighting situation in this room. It was quick. It was easy and anyone can do it. Thank you for watching.